Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Sure.
What up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? You know who it is. That's one Jack by different versions. And we're time.
It's Jack.
Welcome back to another episode of Culture Convo podcast. We are on the roll. We are calling it on the highest level.
Hey.
I'm here with
Soon over messenger to the problematic mom said the only lady we get ginger and Miss B baby.
Hey guys, it's Miss B, your sweetest honeybee, and I'm here carrying the sweetest news. This episode is proudly sponsored by Nature Plan.
Dango. Dango is thank you. And you must be wondering why like vintage style.
Yes.
It is because Opo guys delay is a founder of a forum house.
Oh.
And the forum house it's more of a vintage. It is like a vintage film.
Yes.
Meaning it's all like dala.
Yeah.
So that's why we compare. You know what? Not basically like coffee, but let's go to coffee to get me. With that note,
Right. Like I always say, when you big, I beg. And we have someone big and important up at Dimbaza. Yes. He's a member of the Dimbaza Rugby Foundation, which is in Goons, working there as the deputy director and also an assistant coach.
Yes.
Like he is a founder of the Forum House.
Yeah.
So it's working hand in hand with the Aden Robi culture, which is further. And he's also a cloud solution architect, which is also a special name for an IT specialist in Microsoft. Budi, you're welcome to our show. Mbondo, you are welcome.
Thank you. It is I'm so many intro I think Thank you
it's
guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Budi siyakwamkela again. Sicela usazise apha ebantwini who is Mr. Siwe Mbondo, ukhulele phi? How did he get here? You know, we need to know more about you.
Well, abasetimbaza bandazi ngobanana.
Yes.
I know I didn't actually add that. Originally from Apetimbaza, but in Zavele Bai actually.
Yeah.
All right, after 10 years, Mama Menga Fuman Bandwan. All right, so yeah. So in Angbaglo special, that's why I see VOA.
Oh.
Yeah, right. And but then Kula Petimbaza, Kakulukwaza Nyok. So I'm the village boy.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, so I've been Apetimbaza Klashelite man. Kulele Uchakian Buzende Azim Mesh. I was but actually coming down this side, it was quite a short distance compared to Dale, because Dale 30 minutes you're not in school. Then I found the Vacha, matriculated Vacha 2001. Yeah, I think but I think that's like I remember I used to fail in this subject in Kali. Yeah, so I think I was 15, 16 there. And then I went to from a college, NMMU, and then I was a bursary student, then I went to work for Telkom. So I've been in Pretoria since 2016 then. Yeah.
Wow.
So the regular.
Send it up high.
Yeah,
bon.
Jack?
Yes. Sorry.
Why? I was said you were founder of FE Forum House.
Yes.
Why did you start the Forum House? What is the Forum House?
I know there's questions like because that was a area of comfort.
Yeah.
Well, I think ukukhula Petimbaza khona izinto engazenzanga right in Sakula. Like I've never went to Kwakok, I've never went to serious. Yeah, zange do groove. Yeah, I'm weird like that. So Ayami groove is it was totally different. And for me, entertainment is a total different space, yabo.
Yeah.
So when I used to listen to weird music, like I love neo soul, jazz, I think because I'm a family jazz cool, you know, and a little bit of hip hop. So since from high school, high school, also learning from Uputuam, got an older brother of Vito, like guys, cool, yeah. So then being well like that, you get exposed quite a lot of things. I remember the
Yes.
yeah. So close to Gauteng, you in a much bigger space. You different cultures. When there's in characters, there's tilles about.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, so one thing that stood up for me was the social markets. And then I started having this thing of learning, and also I was buying a vendor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, because if you guys actually get a chance to travel and go to Limpopo and go to Twando, you'll see a total different space. Yeah. Well.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to learn about I'm in Kopelekai from Merabi, from Yonkelonde. So
Yes.
social markets. So I think 2019 when I established a forum house working with Wasanda. Yeah, well.
Oh yeah.
So I wanted everyone, if you had come, everyone was complaining about the factory. Yeah, boy, your factory, nani cars doing, yo, 19 ban, that's a 7 up.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to the metric. I used to done job up at China Garments, but only 20 rand give me for 7 to 4. Yeah, well. But the thing is, one thing about us is, to that, if it's a conversation, if I'm going to change that, then it's a waste for me. Yeah, well, so then was to basically introduce the social market in Makai.
Yes.
Yeah, well, and being inspired by his space in this visit like that. So that's how Forum House started. It started initially as a social market space. Social market in Don. Here's my social market. Yeah.
But he cuz.
So a social market, ideally I wanted, if you look at the forum, I wanted us to have our own Edgars.
Okay.
Yeah, well. But with Indwes needs around it, yeah, well.
Yes.
So the social market is basically a space, entertainment space, right? Arts specifically.
Yeah.
So there's craft a space. If you think about it right now at Dimbaza, we are young parents, some of us. Sisi space up at Dimbaza, okay, I could go this space no mdana mhlale relax. Exactly. Yeah, well. So back was in townships where up and pangelela corner. There are spaces whereby get sell responsibly.
Yeah.
There's spaces abandoana yongino it's safe. Yeah,
Yes.
so I wanted to create a culture like that. So that's how Forum House started. Invited a lot of other few people. Took effect repair. We cleaned it up because I wanted to follow the process. But if it was I wanted to do a social market. So I wanted to bring the concept, document it, so that's my president what we can do with the space. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So okay, Dekuvile talked about a forum house. We all have like a vision. Besiqala Coach Convo podcast. Bese vision ethile. So into ndifuna ukubuza yona mna, do you feel like a forum house is it's where you wanted it to be, okanye there's still more to come?
Well, hey, that's quite an interesting question. It's actually evolved from where it was. It's for me, one of the key things I've learned, when we planned Asan and basically it's based on my needs actually.
Oh, yeah.
I've got friends that assisted me, or Santos, you'll see Santos will probably be in a picture, Asan will always be in a picture. Right? What I had in plan firstly at that time was based on what I understood and what I've learned. So everything that I learned ends and I faka corner. Yeah, well. So there was part of social market, so social cycling, right, which is bicycle and go it, and that's one of the key things that I've actually learned as a Clashaliamb. So we'll plug it in there. So I wouldn't say it's not where I've envisioned it to be. It's taken another direction, which is good, but it's way more than it was before.
Oh, okay.
Right? And obviously it's quite hurdles in the guy. For example, right now we had to put a pause in terms of doing social markets, which it was growing, because I had a group of friends from Joburg came in to support us. And the most, I'm not going to focus on a lot of things as negative, but one thing that actually killed is that you had people more outside supporting up than people internal. So you'll probably catch up with those especially, but
yeah. And I feel like because in the izinto ezininzi esidishana nazo apha eDimbaza whereby you'd find out ukuthi abantu balapha eDimbaza even though you're trying to bring a change aba cooperate.
Yeah, they're very. They call it they're very, but they don't want to adapt to change. Yeah, in a nutshell, because actually we try to bring equity pageants, right?
Yeah.
Like bringing them back, but Abantu Abaninzi tried to make a beauty pageant about all the money.
Yes.
Not the upliftment of Ulucha, Ulucha's struggling, because that is a focus emantombazaneni. Bakhona kababona okay, this last nabafana nje bayifuna that's like very nice.
Yes.
But abanye ke ngoku bayiluza iplot ye beauty pageant bayintoni. They wanted the money and they thought there is money there, whereas ayikho. It's just an upliftment thing for abantwana. And then there's the parents is nalapha eDimbaza ezingakwazi usupporta abantwana balapha eDimbaza. So support ngabantu bomadrama, King, Monty, Nike for them. But abantu balapha eDimbaza are really.
But do we blame them though?
I do. So,
Right.
That's my opinion, and I'm entitled to it.
Yeah. No. There is one say, do we blame them, right? Remember, once you are confined with spaces, Tile.
Yeah. Hi.
What? Oh, Tete making up.
I like that go again this time.
Imani wo. Yeah, bakala ke wo. You?
I no uzophela bhala aba technical glitch. Yeah.
Andithethe.
Can siqale.
Hayi bodwa asigcina.
Oh, great.
You.
Okay, great.
All right, but okay.
Yeah. So that there is one say, do we blame them though, right? Remember, you learn izinto more as uhamba, as uphuma, right? I urge everyone that's watching the post now, if you guys get a chance, Puman, go outside, travel, right? And traveling, acting like we do camping as well. Like go out, see places, camp. Yeah, well, but yeah, just do adventure. Trust me, guys. You'll see ubom totally different. Well, and kubalula and nama we used to have that. I mean, Nosando when it comes to Inkunzi, we'll host. I mean, we had the first televised game when we hosted is probably they will come to that subject as well. We hosted in Inkunzi Rugby Festival and Super Sports Schools came.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
on the June 16. Right? And we use what you have, like how you guys doing it. Akombano mosebalin, organize generate, organize yonke into.
Yeah.
And so use what you have and don't abandon, but they're not used to that, But remember the culture that they keep on being exposed into, that's what they'll be familiar with. Right? Simple example, we've got events down in. Do you get my point? So that's what we are. So the more the only thing that you need to have is consistency. Then people will start catching up, but not your speed in Yeah, understand. Yeah, eventually people will catch you guys up when you have a podcast in school. They're like, oh, it's in a podcast, can't?
Yeah.
So it's okay, but it's okay.
Oh, kwaliqala rugby bhuti ne sibonile ba ukhe was a representer apha South Africa in USA. How was your experience?
Well, actually, guys, rugby is competition kakhulu. So starting from because I'm fully vaga, play rugby locally. Went to varsity, then my rugby was non-existent because Can pull me because oh boys go bro.
Yeah.
So and that was a bit hard. Yeah, well, so
Yeah.
then I just played my busy courses. One that enjoy rugby for fun.
Yeah.
Coming back up location mazodlala uphinde ubuye.
Yes.
Then I went to Pretoria. And I started playing for a club rugby.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, playing for third team, second team. Then I call Bata. I'm like, I was rugby.
Oh.
Then I played first team, which then you start being treated professionally. Then I got called by, because I think I was still 23, 24 those days. Then I got called by Ducks to play any different code here at by this rugby league. It's a little bit physical and intense compared to the other ones. Yeah, well, by 13 Goyom. Then I made it to provincial. So I was playing for fun, which is by the way, if you're not doing things for fun, trust me.
Yeah.
I was like,
Because
now when it's Pangelela and Laranje for fun,
Yeah.
I was not really looking for. But okay, then I got called for provincial.
Yeah.
Then the same year I got called up for trials. SA. I had my debut game against the England Committee Rugby, and then we went flying for the first time outside of the country. I went to Canada, and then US Europe qualifiers. Yeah. Then I came back and I was a Kai. Yeah, so yeah.
Kopela Kaya
I must-
Khulu.
Our mates, but fly outside the country.
And yan because yabona baba isifika ukuthi abantu lapha eDimbaza mhlambi awusozuye ndawo nje udlala just for fun.
Yeah.
But
Hey.
akuyiwezi nje ziyenzeka.
Yeah.
Yenzeka.
I mean, as in Zindo, they just need discipline here, which is sometimes very difficult, especially nowadays up at Timbazi. Like it's very difficult. I mean, we've got as the challenges when it comes to inkunzi. I don't want to talented, ne? But when they reach a certain stage, disciplines does go outside.
Yeah.
And kubo-ke, chances are zininzi compared to back in the days, of succeeding. So yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna take it back to the forum house.
Yeah.
You said it's a social market, right? What's the purpose? Yeah. What is the purpose of the forum house? Since you said arts and crafts and here and there, so kakui bege in a visual, for umbukeli wethu ongayaziyo kwa abaweli kuya baba. No man, this is what when you're there, this is what you get.
Okay, cool. Let's take a little step back, right? The market, it's an event, right?
Yeah.
Social market is an actual event, but Forum House, it's an umbrella that hosts quite a lot of things around it, right?
Okay.
Why? Must correct firstly the name Forum House. Why? What do you think of Forum?
Forums do that.
Produce Ngandona and Forum.
Up next door.
Aibo.
Okay, first thing that comes into mind, that is
From Ndaunje Wom. With Abantu.
keyword warm.
Yes, with Abantu Abaninzi. Aba United. That's what I think. Or Forum.
Because as a plate. Because one is on
You don't?
is as the sarcasm.
Yes.
Because one is on
Yeah. Yeah.
She doesn't.
Ne?
Don't want to be that. Yeah.
This is the ornament.
But yeah.
Ndaunje Wom. This is in jazz ngasoze ziphathe. This is a class.
So umna xa ngicinga ufana manje ndicinga like ekhaya.
Yeah.
It's more of like a home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True. So, but if you think about it, right? I'm not quite sure yenza emakhaya. I think actually into siluze kakhulu lonto leyo. So sisonke apha hleli endlini and kulof, right? Kusekho abantwana abayi-2 abasuka esikolweni. Do you think sonke hleli sawumgqiba la lof? Ngoku ndiyazi uba siyazi bakho abayi-2 abangekafiki basuka esikolweni. Right? So uCethezi uyahamba uya kwidate. Right? But she's got she doesn't have a dress. When you do have a dress,
Yeah.
Symbolic.
exactly. Right? So if you think about it now, sihleli sonke apha endlini ku Forum House. We've got 4 cousins as our visitor for holiday.
Yeah.
Right, but Forum House basically
Two
two bedrooms, kahle kahle, ne dining room. Sabaqolisa khona uyolala.
So lala
So
kuphansi
no
sonke.
pants, it's fine.
Exactly. Right. So now the concept of Forum House was basically bringing back that feeling,
That
right? That warmth.
Yeah.
Right. So the social market was, let's come together, right? Because
Yeah.
we didn't charge anyone. The cost were actually coming back to us, cleaning up, paying a manager to clean up the place, having to set up umbane, making sure umuntu uyaza with their craft
Yeah.
and so forth. It was all about bringing that warmth lesibanayo ku Forum House.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, the arts of sharing. I coach me always says that, hey, when a Forum House, I think you need to change and stop running it as a business and start running it as an entity. Within the UN kind biz, so look on the phone donate. Yeah, well, which sometimes it beats me when it comes to business, right? Because that's what it's all about, right? We'll always share. Right, there's always someone to share a piece, and if we're now making stand circle up,
Yeah.
but the bonita right, I could basically share,
Oh, sure.
yeah, or help you. So it was basically bringing back that, and also the art of collaboration.
Yeah.
Right. So if we name it there, let's support each other. Right. Sometimes I don't have to wear your stuff to support. I can buy corner this other lady said Islangu.
Yeah.
Right. She did it take, but I'm like, okay, it's not enough. Let me just market.
Yeah.
Right. And the Tengelumam, for example. Right. So it's all about that. It's just an art of sharing. Yeah, well. And then from there Kula. Part of the Forum House, we had social cycling was one of the things that is full age over, which was quite nice.
Yeah.
So it's like a running club, but it's
no.
with bicycles.
No, actually. Social cycling, it's touring. Bicycle yakho uhambe ubuka indawo. Yeah,
So
it's
cute.
part of,
Nice.
it's part of tourism, but there's more to it than that.
Yeah.
Bob the stylist had another concept, maybe it's Indwangu rides,
Oh, yeah.
where you basically were proper and you go in and cycling, but we're cycling with a purpose and tour. And then so that's something that we brought up. So we had quite various rides, a Kasi tour,
Yeah.
where we I think remember no Busho and the PWM and the team, we actually had to fix a lot of bicycles with the boys around the Timbaza just so that we can cycle. So we visited various places. Timbaza Agriculture Park, Damin.
Yeah.
Oh.
We visited the school of the disabled, right? Ebola Park.
Okay.
Right. We visited Kapagwik, Apentry. Like corners in it, but we're just cycling around the Logish.
Oh.
Yeah, well,
That's
just,
nice.
Just so that's part of it. And also obviously then the fashion part comes in. So how the fashion came about was. So how I started was I started wearing a lot of local, right? So I had a competition with myself. So I'll look at someone like, yo, I want a pop produce, so Lashley, Gucci, one. But I can actually dress well, right? But with just local stuff.
Yeah.
So I started actually looking for local brands. That's how I met to art again, right? That's how I met to art. Met other brands, only bought or made Kaya, so by buying from them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right? And then when I saw my moment, there's something lacking here. Or even not that sort of we had collaborated, I think we had a Forum House sweater.
Yeah.
So when I say there's something that's lacking here, I need a knitwear. Yeah, well, so I've got this feel of high school. So some of us, we didn't have like in matric jackets. I didn't even went to matric dance that year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, even good. I think I think Ustasoro mentioned but kwakufuneka uye kumatric bepha esikoleni ngoba uniform. Yeah, I think it was something along those lines. I know ukuthi yayiqala ke uphuma ngaphandle. I think that year. So then I started basically a line Forum House United because I wanted to have something that's not really available to us.
Also the cardigans.
Yes, the cardigans and the golfers and
Okay.
but it was the cardigan and chase because it's something that couldn't meet people to afford about level yet to afford. Yeah. So the only probably brand that we know was Marcos.
Oh.
Yeah, well, so I wanted to meet that. So that's how the band came about, and it was called Ukaya Cool.
Yes.
So which is Kaya Cool. That's basically it. But it has grown more than becoming a knitwear.
Yeah.
So it's incorporating other few crazy stuff. So yeah.
Okay.
And like that ndaqala uba umntu obsessed with ibicycle.
Yeah.
Mna ndaqala uba umntu obsessed. Ngafana umzekelo
Like, I thought he was gonna come with a car. I was like, okay, the bike.
So
even nakwi-career expo ebehambe ngemoto but ibhayisekile ibikhona.
Yeah, why not? Because you guys can make a business out of everything.
Yeah.
Like seriously. Like we've sold bicycles, we've got guys that probably will be training, will tell you that's another story. We've got a proper, like I like to introduce things that, okay, Lena is so far-fetched in Baz. Right now we've got an official, the Forum House Gang, which is a cycling club with you boys. We're supposed to be cycling this morning. But yeah.
It was a weekend.
Yeah, so and it's cycle and it's boys that are under Busan is probably the oldest, but it's boys that are under 18. The youngest is 16. Babin came and Bonsi Flames going to Alice and back. So yeah. Yeah.
I saw
that. So yeah, those are the things it's and also had bicycle polo.
Yeah.
Right, playing Gwenny Factory Park back in the days, but yeah.
I think I would be obsessed with a bicycle if I knew how to ride it.
So me and Kupela Pa and Phoenix.
But now if you not ibhayisekile ngoba mawuwe.
Tom.
Nama hela
I can't afford to buy this credit.
Ne?
But yeah, go bicycle polo, what do you usually do? You just race?
No, just play. Yes,
Water polo.
Not water polo. Yes, the mash.
Yeah.
The mash.
Yeah.
But you could bicycle ke ngoko.
So you're gonna steer with one hand.
Yeah,
and
still with
then-
hand hand and just take the ball.
I can't see my like
Ile
No,
nto
it's
ndiyibuzayo
nice and challenging. I could see.
Bamba. Phofu ndikubani
Yeah, I'll show you
bekhe ndabona
videos,
omnye
but it was
eqhuba
quite fun.
ibhayisekile
Yeah.
which is so nakona yes
So ngandi bana masikiza ngubhuti wami aphangela be clinic uvuyo lwethu. Shout out bhuti wami. You watching nansi twin. Akafuni nix ngebicycle yakhe.
Yeah,
So uphangela
that's
uphangela ngayo pe clinic ibuzwa qho bicycle kabani yena ngiqonde. Nje icanga ndiyayazi. Eka bhuti
Yeah,
wami.
I prefer to
you are
stay
Yeah.
you
Onzakala qho but still.
Friend the advert ninge natural plan, yes.
Yeah.
Natural plan water straight from.
Yeah.
Yes, you guys can actually pull it off.
Yeah.
yeah
Asingakwazi. But
Hayi. Ngani ke lokho.
but you've mentioned ukuthi ufuna ukhulela lapha eDimbaza, wafunda lapha eDimbaza. Ungathi like what is different from you ngawe from abantu obufunda nabo like your age group okuphuma nabo beDimbaza, like what's different ngawe?
Yo,
Ufuna undlisa.
this question. Check.
Well, I think like siyahlukana, man. I mean there's for me there's one thing I never succumbed to, peer pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, starting from high school. I mean I had the chomzams as say at least shy, but they're still my friends.
Yeah.
Bo. And there's one thing that we also need to believe, right? People grow apart from each other.
Yeah.
That's okay. Because I'll still go. Because okay, I'll go okay and bafumani. Okay, where's the best place? I'll go in. Probably go cook. I know they'll be probably park outside. Chill there now about a few minutes and then go. Yeah, well, so you end up growing apart with the friends, Zako. But that doesn't mean that they're not your friends. You can still reach out. Then you get connected kubanya bandu that have got like-minded people. Yeah, well. I think for me it's not succumbing to peer pressure, which is quite few, by the way. It's not what's making me special. And again, it's for me. It's I think baninzi abantu that want to plow back at home, but by chafisize that uzoza apho wenza into uhambe ophinde ubuya seyicinyiwe. Yeah, well, so So again, I wouldn't say I'm special about that. I think for me, it's just that consistency and basically having a solid team that I can still rely on.
Yeah.
When we are up, yeah.
Yeah.
Ngicela uphinde umbuze lo mbuzo wakho uphinde umphosele pha kuyi ukuthi ba indanga zakhe ngoku. Lo mbuzo wakho. Uxabanisa. Sesenza lapha kuweke uphuthu. Please msangwana mxelele.
Umna I feel but now I feel like kwezami intanga I lack of a vision.
Yeah.
Okanye mangathi they're not fortunate enough. Yeah, they're not fortunate enough bakwazi ukwenza izinto ezithile. It's ila mentality man yokuthi if you don't have school you can't do anything. So nabo bafeel low pressure and then they adapt kwimpilo sedimbaza. Abedimbaza komnandi xa unemali. Ngibona even if izolo bekumvulo but it was packed kwezindawo.
But what does ubumnandi mean? Can you define that? What does ubumnandi mean?
Okay, ubumnandi according to okanye according to Dimbaza.
According to Butimaz.
Okay, according to Dimbaza, ubumnandi kukuphuma with friends, siye Blue House, siye konwaba, right through. Ingxaki zethu sisingxaki ezilibala. That's ubumnandi yazi from Friday to Monday. That's ubumnandi Dimbaza.
Okay, that's what we define.
Define ubumnandi Dimbaza.
Yeah.
Lenze liba kumnandi xa unemali because of indlela ndiyibona ngayo.
Especially in our age group, because it's our age group now that is starting to take control than abantu be-80s 90s ngama-2000 abonakala sibomnandi apha yeah.
But abafuna usheka nje nabo.
Okay.
Lenze they adapt kule lifestyle. Ikhona other stigma ukuthi ba xa usedimbaza akho nto noyenza. Xa usedimbaza awuzohlala nje ufana nabanye abantu usele uphela apha edimbaza. So nabo they adapt ingqondo yabo kulonto.
Okay. It's quite interesting. But I feel like ubumnandi qhomeke kuwe as well what to define as like I did mention that azizange ndikhula apha edim so I know everything yenzeka la.
Yes.
Yabo. Like even nathi kwi-rap we had boys that we used to chill with just because for no creator that would this ubumnandi it's not necessarily going in and going out and you're sad. Yabo.
Yeah.
But again, it goes back to peer pressure. I mean, we created fun. Like we'll go in, same factory center for Forum House. We had Ichi Empire, Best Jimila Konakneta. We had indigenous games that we used to do, right? Like we ride bicycle up Lokshini, Sibis with dynamic dickless dudes. Yes, dynamic dickless dudes. You want them dollar, yes. You show Palan Pants research and Dynamite Dikloof dudes.
Yeah.
Well,
Mr. Producer.
That is okay. The 80s crew will know about it. Yeah, the 80s crew will know about it.
Abayaz,
trust me. Paya during this time go 7:30 bukela indaba okanye before indaba kudlala Dynamite then 7:30 uhambe uyohlamba ubuye ubukele lo ndibuye but it was those shows that we used to watch kusimule yeah so I mean when it comes to that's why I wanted to define entertainment. What is entertainment? Yes. Because you're doing beach pageant and what else? What's your vision? What are you trying to do? Why can't you do something crazy with beach pageant instead of doing all way? What's not very much sister Valley Main Street and get people will build up a runway and close the you understand?
Apparently I beach pageant.
Really?
Yeah. Follow the escalators, everything. Then entrance one,
but before going there, why don't you make it public, right? Why don't we try and introduce it to the people, right? Define what beauty pageant is, right? So there's quite a lot of things that we can define as fun.
Yes.
Yeah, well.
Yes.
But again, remember in the sense of fun, I think the generation of you make it look cool, look sad. So you can't. I mean, probably mna no Santos bona ngathi singothwanqa because I say but again I think it's something that we don't make it look cool. Maybe making look cool riding a bike would probably be a better thing. Well, so yeah, but again we've got a lot of battles, man, against Indians and the guy Lukshin. Well, that's taking our youth away from us. So yeah.
And it's good that you're talking about the youth, right? Our last guest, Dr. Pablo, spoke about you, talking about that you used to dress abandona makwengwe, and then mostly suits and stuff. I think I'm right? Yeah. Now I said I'm not a gentleman's club, okay? Because I just by doing low activity that you do. So what is the purpose of the said gentleman's club? Why did you specifically take young boys and just dress them? What is the main objective of that?
So it was an initiative that we came up with in Gonzin. At that time, Carlos was coach of boys only, right? And the challenges that we saw with Usando was we're losing boys based on discipline. And sometimes if you're landlela umntana, you find that akafika apha enomsindo, abanye they coming to Europe just as a place to escape the reality. And we used to play games beyond just Europe, so we created that community for the boys. And abanye banengxaki ezi-heavy kwamakwabo, and remember iqala phaa ezantsi loo nto leyo, so boys don't talk. Like we that's one thing we just need to realize, bana umntu ongumfana nomntu oyintombazana, we are totally different, right? And asithethi thina, yabo, bayindalo, you have to drill it kakhulu, yabo, ukuze umntana uthethe. You have to create a very comfortable space for umntana athethe, because we are being judged. I mean, ujajwa kwausemncinci, yabo. I mean, if siza kuwe yo ndithi yo ndine crash kubhiyana, uthi wena hayo zinto zami ezi, yabo. Mna zaza kubhiyana ndithethe i-top deck and uphethe itinkisi is more expensive. I can't afford that. Yabo, and itinkisi manje bhiyana will take itinkisi, yabo. Your self-esteem is blown from there. So uzophinda recover ngumfana. You understand?
Oh yeah.
So iqala phaa, yabo, okanye had in ezinye you've got a stepdad that's like abusing you, yabo, njani. Okanye ubethwa mamakho, yabo. So we had a lot of boys that had anger. So now the initiative here, Gentlemen's Club, was firstly, you look good, you feel good. That's one of the key things that I also established when I was going through since stage now. That's how I started trying to dress up. So wake up, dress up. I was young as well. Because that's so that first thing it went over kamnandi when I so the initiative was dressing in the reals for ube shirt uze ne tie. If only tie sakunika tie. So we collected a tie. And initially the Gentlemen's Club was a very short space of time of the boys talking. We're opening up that we'll have a guest speaker, atete, but we're trying by all means to open it up as it becomes a conversation. Then followed up by it's actually a movie night. But so we have speakers talking about so we started Tina Kala inviting ladies about sexual what what does it mean, and then see conversate as amachit, not as oput, because that's the moment. Remember, respect is a two-way thing. And respect is end. So if I look him I don't care nobody age. So if I look also don't back. That's why umntana zothi hayi ke ngoyintoni ke ngoput. So even a paibaleni, like those boys don't call us gamagam, bizo khade busando bizwa, like they joke about us because Santo is short and I'm tall. So they always call us if or something like that. So they always have funny names about bizangazi. But one thing that I like about them is that respect is earned because it's a two-way street. So there, we're trying to earn that trust so that we can conversate and start dealing with issues about us and opening up. So that what, and then after that we have snacks, muffins, or we collect, we buy bread, and then just chill and watch a movie.
It's nice.
Yeah. Yes, talking about yes. Okay, sorry. So like I was talking about the Gentlemen's Club. Growing up in Amalinde Primary.
Yeah.
So first of all, waqala into boys talk.
Yeah.
Whereby we sitting in those needs about leadership, about everything. Boyfriend, even saying as a garden. So we even went to camps. Whereby so camp. It's Kimberley School in Okanya. So I feel like the boys talk has built the character in him. Because I know Guti, this is how I should behave as a guy. This is how I should do things. And bengana different color as a balaza there's a primary as a balaza. Because it is a balaza in Dow India, it has like influence and means. And you ba unruly man.
And
Above.
you've expressed yourself in the last episode. Episode that you've done in
So much. When I go, just eskoleni Mondays, we ba clean eskoleni, we ba nice, yeah, fire shortly shirt. So it's part of his so at least ngiyazi ba okay ngoku xa ufuna uqala njalo ngokwazi nobani bani. Kwazi nawe nkwazi yabo just push it.
Yeah, no, that's something. Remember, once I've got this motto, once I do it, I don't anditate.
Yeah.
So I have to do it, and it's fine. If it fails, it fails. But if it continues, you've made a mark.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. So don't ever, because once we think about if we're not at okay, when are we starting? Yeah, well, so I'll start with you, go in, pull guys that we've worked with, and just do it in silence. That means there's quite a lot of things that stands there, but that time business was Papashka cool. Like Asanda came up with something that's cover books, so we all supported. Yeah, well, Skene boys cleaner around, we help to paint another house. There's quite a lot.
Wow.
Yeah, well, opinion again. Or we also help some kids being up where I think we're buying up again. Cut up, so you can actually do that initiative. Some of the babas, just to support you on that day.
Yeah.
Come up with the concept. You look good, you feel good.
Yeah.
Also the teachers.
Nebabas pha hayi benzo cheba abantwana khanye post mamelano khanye post ka Facebook ne and then ke ndayibona but zakubekho into igezisayine but ndena ndicinga noba abazali babona bathini yabo bafika abasisi ke baza ne hairstylist babafrehisa bonke abantwana ngokufanayo abanika ndilibele baye ngibani and yayiphi but kwakudala ngoku banika nezihlangu abanika nokutya banika yonke nepets yonke lana qha ndacinga abazali basile fika umntana enhloko enje athi xa bekutheni
be10 funa uncedo
mna
swele mna yobasile bazali
but again, you know what, if umuntu wenza loo nto, I'll tell you one thing where the exact same scenario. So with the boys that we used to camp, we camp ekhaya babiza kwamakhulu, we camp kusanda. So one of the boys wayengavunyelwa ngumama wakhe azocamp, right, for a lot of things. So that's where we come in. So you go to mzali kutheni umntana ungamvumela azocamp. Haya kwathini. Okay mom, into yi-1 endifuna uyenza lo mntana zange wayombukela ebaleni. So right now mama samthatha lo mntana uhambe uhlala pha kwanumber so ngoku buya mfuna uzaya pha. Wabethetha umama utata ngapha mama andilwi nawo ndiyacela yabo because mna uphuma kwakhe ngoku mama irresponsibility yami unengxaki nayo uzamfumana pha irresponsibility yami noSanto unengxaki nayo uzamfumana pha ekhaya yabo even ngoku abazali bebekwazi ukuthi bathi hayi nami that's the only way you can take out umzali to actually enforce umntana kakuhle not ngendlela yabo. So nathi we used to enforce abazali baze bazobukela yabo. And you understand that because nam abanye bazali zange bazali bami bazondibukela, so they've never seen me playing rap. Tata mzondibona ngosizosweleka ngosendiyeke noyeka. Yabo. But because of that, because babesebenza yabo. But ngoku uzandixela uba umzali akazufuna uzombaleka umntana because uleqa i6 to 6 kwabantwana. You understand? So izinto sizifumana from time to time yabo. But again ube khona abazali abalwayo bathi hayi umntana uzokophuka. Okay, rather umntana ahlatywe endaweni yabo because it's a physical sport yabo. And once umntana moshakale pha iba sithi futhi that take that full responsibility kumse kwagqirha. So zifonela umzali uthi mzali samfonela sithi mzali sisendaweni ethile sisendaweni esolungisa umntana. Yabo ungalandela okanye sokupick up ongasenze njani yabo. So yeah.
Sange anifumana kubonela. Afumana kubonela.
Like yayinjani la moment yoba ube part of i-SARL combined club squad. Like yayinjani, how did you feel?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was I think firstly having that feeling of being selected ungakhange ucingele yabo. And looking at the squad, we were about only 2 black people squad. I didn't even know JP May, so rest in peace. So it was quite a good feeling kokuqala, but still overwhelmed because and I don't know what to expect yabo. And though for fun you never expect izinto ezithile yabo. But I guess as well because rugby league at that time kwangekho nto ye-quota system. Kwangekho hayi siyakuselecta because you are black yabo. And that's one thing that I really enjoyed, that stood out because you've earned the respect of being there.
Yes.
Yeah, well, out of all the guys that were there. Yeah, well, so that was the main thing that actually stood out. And yeah, actually, utunga phebon famous Susana autograph. So that was quite a nice feeling. But again, coming back at airport, you find your family there waiting for you, and you've got quite a lot of other few people as well. But you know that I couldn't wait to come in. It kit yam younger than now, starting from jerseys, shorts, socks, I had to give away from good boys if you succeed in the Chile, guys, let's race. Even in Chile 100 meters, or win layers of mana lewe. If it was a peli ganjalo kit so yeah.
That's nice.
Like affecta njani like training game yakho because I think niyadibana mosinizi players from different clubs abanye zange udlale nabo udlala against them, so like iba njani? Yeah, funny enough, when it comes to sports your mindset changes completely. Right, the guy that you used to, because irap it's Sibiza gay, it's a gentleman, it's a hooligan sport played by gentlemen. Yes. Umamela bro, yeah, so we that's a phakathi baleni, like siyabethana, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but so we it's quite aggressive, it's quite physical, but the moment that 80-minute ends, like everything has completely changed. Yabo sela nonke beer, seli beer, yabo hlala nonke game. So kuyo yonke yolonto leyo it changed, and then xa nidlala in South Africa you become patriotic yabo. So uyazazi bajonga simeli lizwe up, and xa ucula umobe ubungekho apha like inyembe ziyadlela yabo. So you playing with the guy that's next to you, uyazi but siyemfazweni sawona so. So it changed mindset yakho yonke completely. Ifana na xa ubuya entabeni kuxela uba uzamuza omama xa bekuyala phazi ihle inyembe, it's exactly that feeling.
Yeah. Enye into usange ye-rugby fan.
Oh, okay, sure.
That's why I knew ukuthi bayabona yena uzohlala kwe-rugby. Noma seyazi ba Springbok zonke izinto ze-Springbok bakuzokwenza ntoni and stuff.
But iqala apha sange just go pha ebaleni man nonceda siyadinga amadoda.
Ugaba.
Uyabagaba.
Phuma.
Udlala ke-rugby.
Gabi. I was Zinga wings.
Hayi mani.
So clear way yakho yokucoach. Ubane namuntu like assistant coach mosne. Like ubani eyona big influence yakho. Yeah, let's ba Makuye ngene
It-
kule coaching.
Yes.
Dos Santos Nkothoke,
Okay.
right? Umbiza as Usanto. He's actually the main founder in Kunz.
Oh.
Right? From, I think even before, Timbaza, there's Nancy Club. Timbaza United, from Timbaza United, yaphela yaphinda enye club yabo. So but I came in ngela xesha ekhona yabo, but coming in nje lokishini uma uzoshinto phela udlale once in a while. But one of the key things is bona, you've got senior teams, but there's no proper development, right?
Yeah.
And that's something that we started. We started in Konzi only with, I think, I don't know, by 8 at that time, right? We didn't have a club. And then, but when built, like, skogelela, up until there was a point whereby we had approximately 143 kids, starting from under 9 till under 19. So we're focusing male on them, all the ages. And having to manage that. Like I said, we always outgrow certain things. And then abanye bathi Daniel ngoku qhubeka kule into yabo. Which is okay. But one thing that that inspired me was the consistency yomjito kusebenza kwakhe yabo. Even ngoku esebenza eyi-1 we still managing kabuhlungu kodwa from time to time we have obviously friends like I always pull our son and abanye coming in to assist us.
Yes.
Sidinga uncedo and nam I'll assist remotely. Yabo. So I think purpose yam when it comes to coaching was to see where probably I need to uncedo khona. Yabo. That's why I needed to take up a coaching. Also coaching back at Pretoria when you club I used to play for as a location. Yeah. So the idea was basically while I'm coaching there, so every year there's a selector like our best performing kids. Yabo. Not because we perform cool, but hardworking.
Yeah.
Because I've got this motto, hard work beats talent.
Yeah.
So you can be talented as much as you can, but if I was Zima, I was Lenzi Clash.
Yeah.
But we've seen Abanda Banjara.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll note no Santos is Sevelapa, Imali. Then the only thing is Ikalabazalin, just Imali Okuya Ka, the Pretoria. Abanye get classy bon back, Sireze enough, Nanae, Pocket is it, Bakweli, si flight. Then bafika home, then we'll tell them bathathe sibase mhlambi bayenza sibase kwi game ye Blue Bulls.
Yeah.
They watched there, and again was that concept yokubana if umkhuphile umntana ngaphandle and open up ingqondo uzobuya yabo ayazi manje ufuna usebenze lapha yabo. So we used to have that every year. Yeah, so I think that's one of the other few things that are continuing. Then we're taking with coaching professionally. He's got, I think now he's going for coach level 3, which he can basically coach even in international club. I think he's going for that to Santo.
Yeah.
Sapatalaza go coach level 2 but yeah, coaching it's I think for me it's seeing that it's a calling, man. Yeah, boy, it's not one who can come in and be a coach because a special coach abandwan because ngapho uzofika dibana no Bianca ngapho uzogcwalisela kuxela indaba zakho, so ufuna ukuyazi uzothetha njani naye omnye umntana oqhela ungcoliswa ufuna ukuyazi ba uzo-approach kanjani kuye kwenze lento izongena yabo. So it's yeah, for me it's basically learning that, and that's one person that actually inspired me to take this coaching thing a little bit serious.
Yeah.
So like
Hey, God.
Uphangele no. Uphangele. Ufisa zami nibengaphangeli ngaba.
like players brothers banayo routine yazo before and during and after like games like so as a coach routine yakho routine before.
I'm so proud of Ugaba.
Man.
Yeah, yo, that's actually quite important, yeah, but because game is all about the mindset. No man, is up here, but for example, you guys came in, and it's yo guys, and there's the stress. So that's a pre-game jitters. Yeah, but you always have it. Now, no man, I always have the pre-game jitters. Yeah, but so you always have that. So for us was the main point was to keep them calm, and remember, you need you to smile all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Yeah. And secondly, the best zamuyenza as coaches, best ngaba coach Tina that bangxolela abantwana. Like I stated during the whole ezinidlala, tell no one cha funa kube ngaba benza mistake bazilungisa, because one thing you cannot fix a mistake ebaleni, you fix it practicing.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. And encourage us also to take some of the guys that are leaders to lead. Give them time to lead and try and correct those mistakes. Part of it, camping was one of the key things that was important. Yeah, well, you'll see, I think it's kind of the clips I'll show you guys, whereby we basically the under 17 tournament. We had to camp, we had to camp in Lin. So having that spirit, before games, so that's the pre-game stuff. It makes you to relax, before game. Always try and calm down, even though it's been a chance to answer, but us bath, relaxing and chatting about the game always helped. Also, most of them is just about cost, so that's also part of chillaxing. Yeah. Yeah, that's part of the game, and we also watch movies and stuff like that. Yeah, so intentionally.
Yeah. Deserve a bonus, Mr. Producer.
Between when I know Tasando, coach and assistant coach, like second
Mr. Kaba. He knows.
Second I like disagreement.
Always.
Okay.
We always have disagreements.
Like in this
we have to come up to a certain standards. There's one thing that when you work with a team, you always have a respect. So nobody 3 up. You can no check and it.
Yeah.
Okay, so no check it. Respect it
now. So always a disagreement. A simple example that we had. We introduced ladies, right?
Yeah.
For us to reach to that decision, we had a lot of disagreements, right? Because we know I think they see anticipator bringing ladies team, but because it's ladies team a lot, we rap and cool. They've got better opportunities compared to the males. Yeah, so we saw that opportunity, but yes, if we can introduce, Incones can grow quite quickly. But we didn't, and even those years, but we can obviously say anything is about any challenges. But we didn't anticipate the challenges that there will be in that man. So we had even disagreements, but I decided, so by okay, cool, let's take into this. Whatever challenges are you, we'll handle it as it actually happens. And some of it we remember we used to dealing with boys. So even part of it, basically when you all rap a fundis and coach, there is a subject, a chapter of how to coach women. Because I didn't want to call you better hey, move so some of the simple examples when it comes to ladies, you have to actually ask before. You can't do certain things. So if you need to how to strum, is it okay if you are you okay if or can you bring a boy or can you so those are the other key things as cooler, but we then face different challenges with the ladies. Remember when they reach a certain stage, you've got boys that are in puberty, right? And you have ladies in that level, so you understand and they commotion and that's by 2 as well. So we always reach out again. That's one thing. If you wanted to open that thing, don't look at it as schooling. Because remember, if you focus on schooling, 8 till 2.
Yes.
So that's a problem with now team. So go and reach out to kubantu ke abasemagunyeni babasincede. Bona basebenza from 8 till 4. Ingxaki zethu zipheli from 8 to 4. Thina sidibana abazali ngone 8 ebusuku xa bebuya emsebenzini. So we needed to have ezo zinto ezinjalo, because if I've got a problem no Bianca, I cannot have a chat with, I need to go Bianca and have a chat nabazali. So we still have disagreements, but at the end of the day into siyaziyo asiyeke singayivalanga.
And Shem right ngoba abantu baxabana guys.
Yeah, we could.
Not everyone can say yes to you. Jake.
And
Send it to me
nenze ibholi.
Kodwa uchirocho ngama uthayo bholi.
Etsandi yobholi. I'm a leader.
I kept about one of my cards namhlanje.
So Bhuti, ndinombuzo endla ngobuza nabani awufika apha. Okay.
Cala uphazamisa.
Ngiphazamisa. It's fine.
Nanogaba sikangeni kwi-segment but wami kwi-relationship
Ayini.
ubhuti wami elibhizi i-rugby
Kangaka.
forum house i-IT
IT.
yayibona
Zonke, zonke.
all of this is there a Mrs. or if uchati kwenzela
Beyond.
emakhaya bayazi uba yinto kathixo le
Hayi.
aphazanyiswa
No, I'm not available. Yeah,
Ooh.
I do have Mrs. Yeah, most
Ooh.
Hayi ke
Izwile.
ulogged.
hayi ke
Ulogged.
into kathixo ke le ayiphazanyiswa
Uyenze kubhiyani.
And before that bosa kwazi ngabuza lo mbuzo.
Uyaba.
Siyaqhubeka. Ndifuna ukubuza, what is your biggest highlight ku Forum House?
yeah
Oh. Yes, like. Well, I think from it's the segment Kakaya Cool. Yeah, but I think the brand on its own, it's ikulile more than I anticipated.
Yeah.
Right? Because I tried by all means to take it a little slower. Excuse me, they because the items kakhulu well, it's probably limited edition. So if indeed kupili ndongo, for example, this golf also impini for my yeah. Well, if yenzi ngoko, it's gonna be only those items for that season. The next season abakwenye, the next season bakwenye, right? And I think it has grown to a point whereby it's also introduced me as a stylist as well. So yeah, so that's something that I'm quite excited on as well. Next chapter,
Yeah.
and then also, I think the biggest highlight also was to host the Forum House Festival, which it did secondly.
Yeah.
Festival basically includes the tourism aspects of it, bringing in friends from Ejobek. One thing that I'm always proud of, I always say this is Ladin.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, can't go like that. Yeah, well, so I also created a family that side as well.
Yes.
And which from time to time they'll come and tour. And part of the touring, it's basically a cycling family. We're cycling Sizapet Dimbaza and then by in camp at Hawksberg. We've camped at we've camped also at Ekrinza as well.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll take them to the beach. So yeah, that's and visited Steve Biko. So that's I think those are the two major highlights.
Yeah.
besi siqhubeke siswami
Sawulibala la mbuzo ke.
Thetha bhuti wami thetha gaba
Hayi makayi.
thetha gaba
Bra. How do you come up with the strategies? Like the game, let's say in the game Sunday, nidlala like i-derby. How do you come up with the tactics?
I think we always have a game plan. Yeah, so we always revise a game plan. We always try and introduce a game plan. And whoever that's trying that will be part of that team is. And again, it goes back by us introducing the game plan from Ezans. Yeah, from under 9 and 8 is cool nje. Kwangu remember umntana nani udlala nje for fun. So funeka umcimbi ufake icongelelo ba okay, game plan, this is how we structure abangakhona. Ufuna nibe nje. So we always try by all means to introduce a game plan when they started to get into the senior level, right? So I think for us, game plan it has always worked on our favor through its ups and downs. Yeah, well.
Yeah.
So that's point number 1. And point number 2, remember, rap it's a team sport. There's no I in that team. Yeah, well. So, but then again, there's certain leaders that we want them to probably pass that message by doing this at this time. Yeah, well. So always go into that. And remember, it question is Andicom. So if we're going, for example, went on a tour a Bedford, right? So I'll say, okay, Sando, what are we trying to achieve here? So okay, here's the team a fast or physically, whatever case it might be, then we'll change it according to that. Yeah, well.
The villain.
your famous question Your famous question.
Okay. So Puti, yintoni into ocinga fancy uba abantu abayazi ngawe ofuna bayazi?
Abayazi ngam.
Like abangayaziyo ngawe okungarhalela mhlawumbi babayazi.
Not sure uba abayazi abaninzi, but even though ngingathanda uyichaza, I don't know why ngingathanda uyichaza, by the way. Because I think when people bayazi by you working for a certain company, or this is what you do, they put you on a certain
Pedestal.
class level or pedestal, exactly. Right, so I think that's one thing that I hardly share, but I work for Microsoft, you know, and then I support the whole of Africa. That's my 9 to 5.
Yeah.
well,
Yeah.
And I'm going to nofuna bayazi.
so that's what pays the bills.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what pays the bills. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
I guess. Yeah, go famous question. Okay, the second famous one.
Aibo.
I go on, baby.
Oh,
Yes.
go on. Okay.
Before your brand reaches certain heights, such as the brand you work for, that is Microsoft, right? Before it takes up the whole of Africa, Forum House, Ukaya Kulo, everything that you are working towards.
Yeah.
Before before ube nemali evuza ipokolo.
Yebo.
No man. Yebo. What would you like people to know about you? Mhlambe you an impulsive spender, mhlambe uthanda is nice, lavish lifestyle. Bangathuki, bangathi hey uphakamile kodwa ubhutwe Forum House. Yebo.
Well, I think I'm an authentic person. Yeah, but I don't think imali ngachinja. Yeah, well, because I believe there's a certain stage where you know by imali ngachinja, and I try by all means to stay in that lane. Yeah, well, fana xa ndilalini andifike ndiqendeve phaa ndithi hayi yo jonga imoto am le yabo yabo and I try by all means not that andiyenzi because ndifuna uzenza ingathi no, if I don't enjoy it andizuyenza yabo balembuza kutheni ngazange ngemoto or like ndize ngebhayisikili yabo I didn't use a car because I believe like why should I use a car whereas I can cycle? Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
So I do have a bicycle, especially when I'm at location. Kuba mnandi uyavula imoto ubona abantu yabo. And yeah, so I think you want to phela umbuzo wakho kanti phuma ecaleni. Yeah, so I think I think
Like if I guess it was as the last time it says yeah benches.
eh?
So they give calling abantu xa benemali. Please.
No, I think yeah, I think for me, even with my friends, like and now that I'm close with, we are friends based on common interest. Yeah, well, we're friends because we build each other.
Yeah.
I mean, like with Forum House, I partner with also other friends like Qong Adventures by Usiwe Saudi. I'll partner with Uchoma, which is chef for Dark Arts. Right, there's quite a lot of things that we learn as a band, and if you check Abo Banjalo, we're all in different classes.
Yeah.
Well, and one thing that I've learned actually also from cycling culture was, yeah, because ufika phaya kuku sisi onqobe kahle uselele black label yakhe. You understand? So akhonto like awuzojonga umuntu umjamle and awufika lo muntu lo after some time but actually this person is a doctor. Yeah, well.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's one of the things.
Ngayazazi. Ngizothetha into zakho ku podcast.
Yeah.
Unigqibile Jack.
Yes.
Akogqibela. Like what message would you like to share to
The youngsters.
ababukeli?
Yeah.
Ungumuntu la ngaphandle.
Well, I think I've already shared that. Hard work beats talent. Yeah, well, so that's one thing. And then secondly, so cinga kakhulu, cinga wenza. Right. So if you've got an idea, use what you currently have. So that's what is actually seen as successful. I would like to say we're successful kwinkonzo. Yeah, well, because we sigcine senza zange sicinga bana hosta njani le and coming with abantu be-TV bazos. So sathi ngasenza yabo, and we had sponsors that supported us at that time. And also look around, there's always something, you understand, around you that you can do. When you are down and with depressed, try by all means to help someone else during that time. You'll survive, trust me. Take it from experience. Yeah, well.
Yeah. Otherwise, sifikelela xesha. I always say, I always say ukuthi indaba zininzi xa selutshaba. Because babekusiya kwethu we would spend a day like 24 hours yonke sithetha about izinto, because because there's a lot I feel like we can learn. Okanye mna I've already learned le hour sikuyo. And also I'd like to say thank you for blessing us with your presence. For actually accepting the invite, because usuke Jules, you are only here for like for a week,
guys,
or so ngeli xesha
I
decide ukuthi
please
sithi kaloku big. Sithi ababagqisi host abantu baseJohannesburg. What are you? Who are you?
We are big now.
Uyabona. And also we just wish you all the best with your business, zonke izinto zenzayo makwande, and more success.
Ubekhosi kube. Yes. Yeah.
Otherwise, this is Culture Convo podcast. My problem. Being called a fluid head.
No. I wanted to say thank you so much for inviting me, and again keep up the good work, man. And when the message, man, so abantu they always also look at head. You don't have to address them. There's no need.
Yeah.
There's no, I'm a podcast fan. There's no need, guys. You're wasting the 2 minutes of the podcast which you could have advertised something. So there's no need, right?
Yeah.
I know it's within the character, but people will always talk. And trust me, focus on your craft. You guys are going far.
Yeah.
Danko.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And once again, like to shout out to if sponsors to Nature Plan Water. Silaphe shop Dimbaza. Meaning Dimbaza silendukile man. We are pushing.
Iman. Athengiswa amanzi qhane. Sayigobha sayigalela.
Ice cream. Ice cream. And also shout out to a proud partnership with Ibaza Photograph. And with Steve Senjo. So shout out to Steve Senjo for equipment, and shout out to Studio Sihle, and to amazing Culture Convo members. Otherwise, this is Culture Convo podcast. We will see you next time. Don't forget to pray, believe, and live. Danko.
Bye.